Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka. It's finally Diwali week. Candles all around, half wrapped gifts and fairy lights tangled. Oh god, looks like a perfect Diwali prep, right? Every year I tell myself that I need to do better, I need to step up and I need to organize things better. But every year I do end up in a mess like I am in right now. So here's the deal. I have a Diwali party invite in less than 3 days. Gifts to buy, I have to order sweets for the host, so much decor to fix. Somewhere in between, I remember my hair looks so not Diwali appropriate. Hair has been looking flat and dull lately. So I started scrolling gifts on Blinkit and added some sweets, candles and all. Then I thought, why not add a little something for myself too? And then that's when I ordered the L'Oreal Paris Casting Creme Gloss. In just 10 minutes it came, and Blinkit is really a lifesaver during the Diwali prep. I finally got my favorite hair color from Blinkit in just 10 minutes. The renovated version of L'Oreal Paris Casting Creme Gloss. Oh my god, I've gotten the shade Burgundy. I love this shade. Also, let's clear the biggest myth today that coloring your hair causes hair breakage or hair fall. Guys, if you use the right brand and product, it actually doesn't. The new formula of L'Oreal Paris Casting Creme Gloss has no ammonia, no harsh chemicals, and has glycolic gloss complex, which is meant to nourish your hair while giving you the amazing glossy finish you want. The best part, it's super easy. Mix, apply, wait for 30 minutes, rinse, and done. There's no fuss, nothing. While I applied my color, I sipped on some chai, did some Diwali decor for my background. Multitasking at its best. I swear, between cleaning, decorating, and running around, Diwali prep is a full body workout. Well, after rinsing my hair, just look at my hair. It looks so glossy, so beautiful. The glycolic gloss complex has really worked, and my hair actually feels so soft and healthy.
And it looks so glossy as well.
You know, for me, Diwali is all about feeling festive and confident and not overdone. And when hair feels this good, everything else just clicks. So yeah, gifts done, decor done, soft hair and glossy me. Finally, Diwali ready. If you are also thinking about coloring your hair, L'Oreal Paris Casting Creme Gloss is the way to go. Honestly, who doesn't love a little bit of gloss during Diwali? So that's my unfiltered Diwali prep. A little chaotic, a little 10 minutes, but my makeover is finally done. I literally love it. Now I'm officially ready to celebrate Diwali. Tell me in the comment section below what is your Diwali ritual, and don't forget to treat yourself to this Diwali season. A little gloss goes a long way. Shop now. Bye-bye.